Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I need to put about u equals to this one. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. And we have negative 1 over 2 with the square root of s. This is about the constant. So you got about 0 after we do first derivative. So because we don't have negative number 2, so I will put negative number 2 go to the left. Next, this one we change by u. So we have the s over the square root of s. We change by negative number 2 du. Next, we have the formula in here. The integration of u to the power of n du. We got about u to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1 and we put about c. Now we can apply the formula in here. So n we need to change by number 5. So we got the final answer in here. So this one we have number 6. This one we have number 6. Negative number 2 divided by 6. We can simplify and you got about negative 1 over 3. About u, that is about this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.